suddenly de-whipped and I joined the crying of Honorable Oundo. Honorable Speaker, I do rise to support this bill. It is very timely, it is very succinct, and in regard to the same, I would like to highlight clause 3 of that bill, concerns that have been raised by the Honorable Member of Parliament who's spoken before me, Honorable Oundo, that particular amendment is a bit problematic. You find that the term illegal and terrorism has become very broad and vague. And Honorable Aden, being a member of the JLAC committee, knows that anything illegal is defined in the current legislations that we have. We have the penal code that is there to cater for that, and we have relevant statutes that define what is illegal. Leaving it in that broad perspective opens it to exploitation by perhaps the state or other actors that might find terms, like maybe perhaps one term. You might wake up and hear that one term is illegal, and due to that, it can be prone to abuse and can also affect protection of Article 37 of the Constitution of Kenya. Further, as a wind-up, Honorable Speaker, the NC4, and that is the National Computer Cyber Crimes Coordination Committee, cannot be the judge, the jury, and executioner of what is termed as illegal. It is also important that we check on the definition of terrorism. I can tell you that as an advocate of the High Court, I have been at Kahawa Law Courts for over 3 weeks, where more than 75 young people are being charged with the crime of terrorism, while what is purported to have perhaps they had allegedly committed is well within even the penal code. And like Honorable Oundo has said, today it might be convenient, tomorrow it might not be convenient for you. Let us always make laws for the posterity of this nation. I support and I congratulate Honorable Aden. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.